Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can read a DAT file using JavaScript. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So this is the DAT file. In that some values will be there. So this is one of the simplest examples which I took. They'll give one city, max temperature, min temperature, like let's say Mumbai, Agra, Bangalore, Manali, Chennai. So these are not the exact values, but I'm trying to mimic that. Okay. So you got the dat file, right? They'll give some garbage values here. There might be some other things. How to read the table. So this is not exact table. There might be something else. So let's say just only one space is there. Okay. You have to understand how this is going to work. I'm just creating a JS file. So first what we can do, so first we have to get some file system object. fs dot we can get, so this is the read file sync. We have to give the file path. It is there in same directory, right? I'll put table.dat. So I'll save this in. So I'm just creating an see whether I'm reading the, so let me execute this. So node read dat file.js. See, I got the value. So here let's see. So I'll write var fleSplit, something like that. I'll write. So one more thing we have to do here. Split will only work for strings, right? So let's take, so if I split this t.string, so let's see, it should work now. See, we got something. Now I have to run a loop. So I'll use let, okay, let I equal to 0, I less than fleSplit dot length, so I plus this. So we can write less than minus, let's say console.log or I. Let's take now. So we have got everything. Inside the loop, you have to understand, here I'm taking the hard-coded value. From 5th line, from 6th line I have to write. What is the logic we'll write here? We'll take from 5. So now I have to get from Mumbai. So I'm getting from Mumbai. So they want max minus min. Let's call it as optimum temperature. We can define the outside also. Let's take max temperature, comma, min temperature. So we got temporary variable of split of space. So let's take here. Now this here I'm doing type. I'm just going to break. So what it will now? So you see, Mumbai 40 23 slash r. So this will be temp of 0, this will be temp of 1. So if I just want to type, so max, whatever max temperature I gave, equal to parseInt of temp of 1. If I write like this, so minimum temperature equal to 1 more, I'll write optimum. So what will be the optimum?
Okay.
So max minus min. The temperature of Mumbai, so you can write like this, of temperature of Mumbai. Let's see what we'll get here. Temperature of Mumbai is 17. So it is reading the dat file. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.